Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is an interesting video. I'm very excited to share with you today my favorite kitchen gadgets and accessories. I'm sure the tips that I'm sharing in this video will be helpful for you to make right choices of kitchen gadgets when you want to invest on them. Before jumping into the video, please subscribe to Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. The first product that we are going to see in this video is this Panasonic mixer grinder. I'm using this product for almost 3 years now, and I would say this is one of the best mixer in this price range. It has a 5 years warranty and multiple functionality. I personally liked this blender because of its two great features that I did not find in any other blenders. One is the lid locking system. The mixer starts functioning only when the jar and its lid is locked properly. It has two locking systems, one at the bottom of the mixer jar and another one in the lid. Only after locking the jar and its lid firmly, the mixer starts grinding things. This way, the usual problems of blender splashing and blender accidents are completely avoided. Isn't that great? The second great feature in this blender is a reset button. Sometimes we tend to overload the mixer jar, and in that case the motor would just stop working. We generally take the mixer to the service station to make it work again. Not anymore. This blender has a reset button. To make it work after an overloading issue, we just have to press this reset button. Isn't that great? The model that I have has 5 mixer jars. In case if you do not need 5 jars, you can opt for lesser jars for lesser price. After using this mixer for almost 3 years, I could see discoloration of the transparent lids on these 3 jars which I use very frequently. The occasionally used jars are looking new. Out of the 5 jars, one is a juicer jar which has interesting features. It has a filter fitting inside which is removable. For smoothies and milkshakes, we needn't use this filter. The lid has a spout to pour the juice out. I use this filter when I grind coconut for coconut milk, tamarind for tamarind pulp, etc. This jar comes with a fruit pusher to clean the sides of the jar without opening the lid. I really love this product. Hope you liked it too. The next proud possession of my kitchen is my water purifier. We did a lot of research before opting for this purifier, and we are very happy with our choice of this LG RO plus UV water purifier. When we explored the other purifiers, most of them had a water storage tank made of plastic. But this LG purifier has a stainless steel tank of a capacity of 8 liters to store the purified water. Not just that, the UV cycle repeats every 8 hours on the stored water in the tank. It assures taste and purity of the water. It also has a removable stand. This can be used to place cups for filling water hands-free. On the side of the purifier, it has a water outlet for good water which can be used for washing vegetables and fruits. But I use them occasionally. These red color indicators is to indicate the water level in the tank, and the blue color indicator glows when the purification is in progress. My next kitchen favorite is this lightweight sandwich maker from Morphe Richards. I love this product for few main reasons. One is it is very easy to use and the Teflon coating is very easy to clean. We can just wipe it with a damp cloth. Also, it is very light to carry while traveling. I will ensure to leave the online links of all these products in the description box for your reference and convenience. My most favorite and super useful product in my kitchen is this vegetable cutter from Prestige. It comes with a removable blade which is very sharp. I am using this product for past 4 years and the blade remains sharp as ever. Wondering what is that black color thing on the lid? I recently dropped the lid down and the yellow color handle broke. So I have just fixed it by tying a plastic stick instead of the handle. Still it works fine as before, there is no issues with the functionality. I will chop an onion now to show you how to operate this chopper. It is very useful for me to finely chop veggies like carrots, beetroots, onion, tomato, cabbage, etc. in merely few seconds. I love this product the most. Before 4 years when I bought this product, this was the only model available in Prestige. Now they have released 3 more models. You can explore and buy it as per your requirement. I have provided the online links for all the 4 models in the description box. Please refer if required. The final product in this video is a 20 pieces kitchen utility set, which is a glassware set from HomeCentre. After posting my kitchen countertop organization video, many of you had asked me a lot of queries about the spice rack and the cruet set. So I thought I'll explain it in a video to provide the details. I just love this product and finding it really useful. It includes a rotatable spice rack set with 6 containers. Each container can hold up to 100 grams of spices in it. The lid has 3 types of openings, which makes it useful for storing whole spices and masala powders as well. These cute glass containers are helping to retain the spices fresh for a longer time. Second one in the set is an oil dispenser. It is also called as cruet set. It has 2 oil bottles with thin spout to pour the oil. It has a cap as well. This spout is really helpful to pour oil without dripping and making a mess. These bottles can hold half liter of oil each. This set has 2 containers for salt and pepper as well. Third one is a 6 pieces glass canister set for storing pulses, nuts, etc. The lid has an opening to pour the content easily. Next one is a sugar pourer. And the last one is an oil container with silicone brush, which is useful while making chapati, dosa and in baking as well. This complete set of 20 pieces of glass containers costs 4,500 rupees. I got this set as a gift from my lovely sister who is the boss of Kavita Samayalarai channel in Tamil. If you can understand Tamil, don't miss to check out her channel Kavita Samayalarai for some authentic and interesting recipes, and please do support her as well. Out of the 5 products shown, which was your favorite? Please let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you had liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.